Keto Meatball Casserole. Imagine digging into a warm, cheesy, flavorful casserole that not only tastes indulgent but is also completely keto-friendly. That's what you get with this Keto Meatball Casserole. It's the ultimate comfort food, packed with tender, juicy meatballs smothered in marinara sauce and bubbling with gooey cheese, all without a carb overload. Perfect for anyone on the ketogenic diet, or simply for those looking for a low-carb meal option that doesn't sacrifice flavor. The meatballs are seasoned perfectly with herbs and spices, while the marinara and cheese bring the Italian vibes that make you feel like you're enjoying a cheat meal, but without actually cheating. You can whip this up for dinner any night of the week, and it's also great for meal prep if you're trying to stay on track with your keto goals. For a recipe that serves four, you'll need 1 pound of ground beef, or a mix of beef and pork, half cup almond flour, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon Italian seasoning, salt and pepper to taste, 1 cup sugar-free marinara sauce, 2 cups shredded mozzarella cheese, 1/4 cup grated Parmesan cheese, 2 tablespoons olive oil for cooking. To start, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. In a large bowl, mix together the ground beef, almond flour, egg, garlic powder, Italian seasoning, salt, and pepper until well combined. Form the mixture into meatballs about the size of a golf ball. Heat olive oil in a large skillet over medium heat and brown the meatballs on all sides. You don't have to cook them all the way through, just enough to get a nice sear. Once browned, transfer the meatballs into a greased 9 by 13 inch baking dish. Pour the marinara sauce evenly over the meatballs, then sprinkle the mozzarella and Parmesan cheese on top. Bake the casserole for 20 to 25 minutes, or until the cheese is melted, bubbly, and slightly golden. Let it cool for a few minutes before serving, and enjoy the perfect blend of flavors in every bite. Want to make it even better? What veggies or herbs would you add to take this casserole to the next level?